From a habitual stammerer to a spectacular orator, couldn't even confidently say his name. Zakir could not even dream of speaking in front of 20 people. Biiznillah, by the will of Allah, now has more than 100 million viewers.
I welcome all of you to this round of greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Has spellbounded several millions of his fans, has driven tens of thousands to turn falsehood to ashes and accept the truth. He is Dr. Zakir Naik,
waking up to a dream again,
a passionate Dai. His passion, Dawah. His dream, peace in every home. Enthused with the blazing flame of Iman, the unstoppable. He is Dr. Zakir Naik,
Chairman of the IRF Educational Trust and President of the Islamic Research Foundation,